Welcome back. Before the break, we started talking about the characteristics of living things. Now let us continue. 3. Nutrition. This is the ability to feed or take in food. Food is anything we eat to survive. Taking in food is feeding, and using it is nutrition. Plants can make food on their own through the process called photosynthesis. Animals depend on plants for food. 4. Irritability. This is the ability to respond to stimuli or change in the environment. If you mistakenly touch a hot object with your hand, you will immediately withdraw your hand. You will know that the object is hot because you will feel the pain. Only living things respond to stimuli. This is because animals have nerves which connect every part of their body with the brain. When these nerves are touched, they send a message to the brain, which then, by means of other nerves, makes you take action. Other stimuli include heat, light, pain, water, sound, etc. 5. Growth. This is the ability to increase in size. Growth is irreversible. It may occur as an increase in length or enlargement of the body. All living things grow from young stage to adult stage. 6. Excretion. This is the ability to pass out waste products. All animals and plants get rid of waste matter. The bodies of living things generate waste products from activities such as respiration, digestion, and growth. Excretory substances in some organisms are sweat, urine, carbon dioxide, water vapor, depending on the organism. 7. Reproduction. This is the ability to reproduce young ones of their kinds. A dog reproduces puppies. Cat reproduces kittens. Humans reproduce babies. Plants produce fruits, which produce seeds from which new plants are produced. The purpose of reproduction is to ensure continuity of life. 8. Death. All living things die. All living things pass through the stages of birth, growth, maturity, decline, that is old age, and death. Some creatures like mosquitoes and flies live for days. Some animals like cats, dogs, and horses live for years. Animals like elephants and tortoises live for 60 to 100 years or more. The average lifespan of man is 70 to 80 years. Trees also live for many years. Some trees live for 100 to 600 years. Adaptation. Adaptation is the way living organisms get used to their various environments in such a manner that they will be comfortable. This is done to survive. 10. Competition. This is the ability of living things to struggle for all the necessities of life in order to survive in their various environments. Living organisms compete for food, light, space, water, mates in order to survive and be in continuous existence. Non-living things do not possess these characteristics and do not perform all the activities described. Let's take time to refresh. I'll be right back.